Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my video explanation. My name is Omar Lamy, and in this video explanation, I'm going to be looking at uh, the e-workshop project that I'm planning for elementary school teachers of science. Now, uh, as far as this project is concerned, it will be presenting an opportunity for elementary school science educators to both strengthen and deepen their knowledge of science content in relationship to the next generation science learning standards, while at the same time broadening their understanding of instructional techniques, tools, and devices for elementary school science, technology, engineering, and math, which is STEM learning. Now, uh, the aspect of the work that I found productive is to add learning videos as embedded URLs. Being able to add videos in this format is important because the videos uh, are then posted on the website in such a way that the viewers can simply click on them to watch them. And that's my aim, that's my objective. That within the modules, when you click on the tab for each module, that you can easily access the videos for for the content or the concepts that are going to be explored. Now, the aspect of my work that I have found challenging uh, are developing the learning activities in a manner that is conducive to both inquiry-based and collaborative learning, especially because the whole design for this project is hinged on online collaborative learning. And then secondly, um, another challenge is to design embedded assessments so that I'll be able to fully understand the knowledge and the skills gained by the participants. And then, uh, thirdly and lastly, the aspect of the work that I found to be intriguing is directly related to the ongoing research, design, and implementation that is required for this project. I have to do a lot of research in terms of learning theories and also in terms of the videos and develop and design the activities and also to implement them. And that to me I find very intriguing because it allows me to think critically, to problem solve, and to come up with or to apply real world solution to real world problems. And that is very important because in designing the project and in executing the project, it's not an easy task. There are a number of challenges involved, but just being able to look at the best practices and best options and what are the things that I can do to design the project effectively. Just that the work that goes into that I find very intriguing. Now, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for viewing and thank you for participating. Have a good evening.